Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I have TCL 5505, and I will show you how set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, open Settings application when we tap on Connections and there Data Usage. There we have our data warming and limit. We click there and now we can turn on our SIS. We can choose day of each month when our SIS start, maybe first day of each month. We can turn on and turn off data warming and we can set it in custom gigabytes, megabytes, what you need. After we do that, we press set to confirm it, and there the same story with data limit. We can turn on it and confirm by OK, and we can custom set it, maybe 10 gigabytes we set. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.